Stuffed capsicum. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add 4 finely chopped onions and saute until soft. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Now add salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Now add 5 potatoes. These are boiled and mashed. Mix well. 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder. Half cup peanuts. These are roasted and crushed. And 3 to 4 tablespoons finely chopped coriander. Stuffing is ready. Take a capsicum and cut the top as shown. With the help of a spoon, remove all the seeds as shown. Prepare all the capsicum cups in the same manner. Sprinkle a pinch of salt over the capsicum cups. Now add freshly grated cheese in the stuffing. I have used a 10-gram cube. You can use according to your choice. Mix well. Fill the stuffing in the capsicum cups. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoons oil in a pan. Place the stuffed capsicum cups in the hot oil. Cover and cook on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn and cook on all sides. Use small sized capsicum for this recipe. Cover and cook again for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Cook on all the sides till the capsicum becomes soft and looks wrinkled. Now add grated cheese over the stuffed capsicum. I have used a 10-gram cube. Cover and cook until the cheese melts. Garnish with chili flakes. cheesy stuffed capsicum is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jen Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.